Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to integrate 11labs voice model into your mobile app. So if you have been looking for how to integrate a voice AI into your mobile app, all you have to do is quite simple. So just go to the 11labs website and click on the conversational AI, which should be somewhere below here, and it will bring you to a page like this. All you have to do at this point is click on the agent section and go to the playground option and choose from this option, which is the playground option. All you have to do is select it, and then it brings us to a page like this. So all you have to do is just scroll and choose a voice that resonates with you, and then you can click on the create agent. If none of these voices resonate with you for your mobile app, you can start from blank, which means that you customize your voice to your specification. So this is how to create or link your a voice on 11labs to your mobile application. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.